Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Thelma and this is the Hungry Dolphin Kitchen. So in today's episode, we'll be making seafood boil. We'll also be roasting a chicken and just a simple salad that anybody can enjoy with the chicken. Let's get started. So we're starting with our bird. The first thing I like to do is take a kitchen towel and then just pat it dry. You should also pat the insides of the chicken. Very important that you put some salt and black pepper inside your chicken. So that was my salt. A little bit of black pepper for added flavor. Yeah, so once that's done, in here I have my ginger and my garlic, and then I also have the seasoning I'm going to use to season the chicken. So I've got thyme, bouillon cubes, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper. Yes, I'll just give this a good mix, and then just pour that all over my chicken. So I've just given that a very good rub, and then right into the chicken I'll stuff it with my onions. I just got one piece of onion into 4, and then also just 1 lemon. Feel free to play around with this. You can stuff it with potatoes or carrots, and whatever vegetables you like would work nicely. So I've just tied up the leg of my chicken, and that's just to prevent the stuffings from spilling out. And I'll drizzle a little bit of vegetable oil over that, and then I'll pop it in the air fryer at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, so we've got our chicken going in the air fryer. We're going to quickly assemble our salad and then put it in the fridge to chill while we get started with the seafood boil. So in my bowl here, I already have my leaves. It's just a selection of lettuce and a little bit of kale. So in here, I'm going to add my sliced cucumbers. I'm making use of the seedless ones today, and then some cherry tomatoes, and just a little bit of onion. So I'll just put in the leftover cucumbers just to make it look pretty when you look at it from the top, and then finish that off with some more cherry tomatoes, and then I'll set that aside. So I'll just make a quick vinaigrette. So to my ramekin, I'll add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use extra virgin olive oil if you have that on hand. So to my oil, I'll just add a teaspoon of minced garlic. I'll also add a little bit of a squeeze of a lemon. I'll grind in a little bit of salt as well as black pepper. And then finally, I will add some honey. Just a teaspoon of honey. So I'll just give that a quick stir. Make sure you stir them together. Make sure the oil and the garlic, everything incorporates into each other properly. And there you have it. You have your vinaigrette. So I'll just take that to the fridge and then let them sit. It's time to make our seafood boil. So to a pot, I'll just add my butter. I'll let that melt down. So I'll add my crabs now.
I'll
also add some potatoes. I just want all of them to saute for a few minutes in the butter. I'm also going to add some sausages. So I'm using a mix of sausages today. I'm using regular chicken sausages, and I'm also using frankfurters, just to add another layer of flavor to it. I'll add some corn to it as well. Just give that a quick mix. Just to make sure that nothing's burning underneath. Now it's time to spice it up. To it I'll add some bouillon cubes, a little bit of thyme, some cayenne pepper. I'll also add my garlic, my minced ginger and garlic to that. To that I'll just add a little bit of salt and give it a final stir. So typically we need to have prawns in here, but I need to bring this to the boil and then I'll add my prawns later on. Don't forget to season your prawn with garlic, ginger, salt and then black pepper. So once they're softened up, we'll then add our prawns and the seafood boil will be ready. So I'll just add some water and then bring this up to a boil. Our chicken is ready and we'll just slice it up. Don't forget to take out the thigh we did earlier on. You don't want anybody ingesting that. And also we need to bring out make sure all the stuffings come out. Okay, so our seafood boil is ready. I'm just going to transfer this into a serving dish and then it's ready to be enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below and share with all your friends. Bye!